Welcome to my channel, Hidden on Earth. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Far beneath the ocean's sparkling surface, there is a world untouched by time. A silent realm where sunlight fades into twilight, and strange life forms drift quietly through the vast blue. In this mysterious underwater landscape, life takes on forms unlike anything we know, fragile, beautiful, and often unseen. Among these, a tiny creature floats, delicate as glass, yet hiding a secret so profound it could change how we understand life itself. This is the beginning of a story about nature's greatest mystery, the immortal jellyfish.
Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, a jellyfish so small it can sit on your fingernail, yet it holds one of the most incredible powers known to science, the power to reverse aging. At first glance, it seems like any other jellyfish, transparent, bell-shaped, and pulsing gently in the currents. But hidden in its simple form lies a biological trick unlike any other, the ability to return to its earliest stage of life, again and again. This is not science fiction, it's real, and it's swimming in our oceans right now.
To understand this miracle, we must first look at the normal jellyfish life cycle. Most jellyfish start as fertilized eggs, grow into larvae called planula, then into polyps, tiny stalk-like creatures fixed to rocks. These polyps eventually transform into medusae, the free-swimming adult form we recognize as jellyfish. Like all animals, jellyfish age and die. But Turritopsis dohrnii doesn't follow this script. It rewrites the rules. What makes Turritopsis dohrnii truly remarkable is its power to reverse its life cycle. When threatened or injured, instead of dying, it transforms itself back into a polyp, the earliest stage of life. This process is called transdifferentiation, where one type of cell changes into another. It's like a butterfly turning back into a caterpillar, again and again, skipping death altogether. Transdifferentiation is no ordinary trick. It's a biological superpower. Imagine if your heart cells could become skin cells, or your liver cells could turn into brain tissue. That's the kind of flexibility Turritopsis has. When stressed, it reshapes its entire body structure, regrowing itself from scratch. It's a restart button built into its DNA, and it might hold the key to stopping aging in other species, even humans. The immortal jellyfish was first discovered in the Mediterranean Sea. Marine biologists were stunned by its ability to regenerate again and again. Since then, it has been found in oceans all over the world. Despite its small size, only about 4 to 5 millimeters, it quietly exists in warm and tropical seas, mostly unnoticed, like a tiny ghost with the power of eternal youth. Let's take a closer look. Turritopsis dohrnii has a bell-shaped, transparent body with up to 90 fine tentacles when mature. Its body is 95% water, like most jellyfish, but beneath its surface lies a nervous system, a simple digestive tract, and muscle-like tissues. It may look delicate, but this anatomy allows it to survive, transform, and restart its life, a feat unmatched in the animal kingdom. How does it do it? The process still puzzles scientists. It involves a complex interplay of genes, proteins, and stem-like cells that trigger transdifferentiation. The jellyfish doesn't grow old. It doesn't accumulate damage the way we do. Instead, it regenerates, repairing itself with incredible precision. It's nature's version of a reset button, a loop of rebirth no other animal has achieved. At the core of its power are stem-like cells, undifferentiated cells capable of becoming many different cell types. These are the same kinds of cells researchers study to regenerate human organs. In Turritopsis, these cells are master builders, reshaping the jellyfish from adult to polyp and back again. It's like having a construction crew inside its body, always ready to rebuild. Now imagine if humans had this power. Our bodies age because our cells lose the ability to divide and repair. But Turritopsis avoids this fate. Its cells don't just repair, they restart. This has enormous implications for aging, disease, and regenerative medicine. Could the secret of human immortality be hidden in this tiny jellyfish? While Turritopsis dohrnii can escape aging, it is not truly invincible. It remains vulnerable to threats like predators, diseases, and environmental changes. A hungry fish can still devour it, pollution can poison it, and ocean temperature shifts can stress it beyond recovery. So while it can cheat death caused by old age, it cannot avoid death caused by external dangers. Its immortality is biological, not absolute. An amazing survival strategy, but not a guarantee of eternal life in the wild. Originally native to the Mediterranean Sea, Turritopsis dohrnii has now spread worldwide. Researchers believe its spread was aided by global shipping, as jellyfish polyps hitch rides in ballast water tanks of cargo vessels. Today, it drifts through the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian Oceans, and warm coastal waters everywhere. Despite this, it remains elusive due to its tiny size and transparent body, quietly inhabiting the ocean's hidden corners. Studying such a tiny, transparent creature isn't easy. Scientists collect specimens from the ocean and keep them in specialized aquariums. Using microscopes and advanced imaging techniques, they observe its life cycle and transformations. Molecular biology tools allow them to examine its genes and proteins, searching for the exact triggers behind its immortality. Each new discovery reveals more about this tiny marvel and about life itself. The secrets held by Turritopsis dohrnii could revolutionize medicine. If humans could mimic its ability to reset aging cells or regenerate damaged tissues, diseases like Alzheimer's, heart failure, or spinal injuries might be treated or even cured. Researchers are studying how the jellyfish controls its cell cycle, hoping to unlock new ways to heal human bodies faster and more completely than ever before. With the promise of extended life comes complex questions. What would happen if humans could live indefinitely? Would society change? How would resources be shared? Would immortality create new challenges, overpopulation, social inequality, or psychological effects? The immortal jellyfish reminds us that while science can push boundaries, ethical wisdom must guide the way. Though tiny, Turritopsis dohrnii plays a role in the marine ecosystem. As both predator and prey, it contributes to ocean food webs. Protecting its environment means protecting the delicate balance of ocean life. Studying how it survives could also help us understand the health of marine ecosystems and how pollution or climate change affects fragile species. Researching immortal jellyfish is not without its difficulties. Their tiny size and transparent bodies make observation challenging. Capturing the exact moment of transformation requires patience and advanced technology. Moreover, the complexity of their cellular processes means scientists have only scratched the surface of understanding their biology. Yet, each breakthrough brings us closer to unraveling the secrets of immortality. The story of Turritopsis dohrnii is just beginning. With advances in genetics, stem cell research, and bioengineering, the possibility of applying its regenerative power to human medicine grows closer. It may take decades or centuries, but this tiny jellyfish lights a path toward extending healthy human life. It challenges us to rethink the limits of biology and to imagine a future where aging is no longer a curse. Turritopsis dohrnii reminds us that nature still holds endless surprises. This small, fragile creature teaches us about resilience, renewal, and the mysteries yet to be discovered. It's a symbol of hope that even in the darkest depths, life finds a way to persist. Its story inspires curiosity and awe, inviting us to keep exploring the unknown. As we end our journey into the world of the immortal jellyfish, remember this: Life is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Tiny creatures like Turritopsis dohrnii teach us lessons about time, resilience, and hope. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the ocean's greatest secret, please like, share, and subscribe. Dive deeper with us next time as we continue to explore the wonders of our natural world.